Coming out of the post-pandemic world, our future is taking shape. As businesses are being catapulted into the digital era, it is time for enterprises and industries to transform and gear themselves for the next normal. The future-ready workforce will be empowered with intelligent systems, virtual assistants, and agile digital workplaces. Driven by a wave of disruptive innovations, factories will be transformed in a truly automated world. Powered by the Internet of Things, data analytics, and pervasive use of artificial intelligence. While being intelligent, they must be kept cyber-safe as well. Cities around the world will see increased use of autonomous vehicles, sensors, and data analytics to empower its population with intelligent services while maintaining efficiency in its infrastructure utilization. Healthcare ecosystems will deliver seamless and highly effective patient care across communities. Retail experiences will be unique, personalized, engaging, and enjoyed by everyone. With quantum improvements to bandwidth and latency, 5G will bring us into an exciting, hyper-connected, and digital future. More than just faster mobile communications, 5G will bring about transformational change, delivering seamless customer experience, secure by design, empowering citizens, and changing the way we live, work, and play. It is a launchpad and platform for enterprises to accelerate their digital transformation, leading to more innovations, enabling greater business productivity, and transforming industries. Let's begin our journey to innovate, design, and enable our future together.